And good morning, I'm meteorologist Leslie Lopez, and today we have a red flag warning issued yet again. This is going to extend all the way through tomorrow. We are looking at a fire danger elevated because of winds. We have a wind advisory also that has been issued all the way through 9 p.m. tonight, along with very low humidity levels. So the winds will be gusting to about 40 to 50, and humidity levels will drop down into the single digits. It is a cool start to the morning, though. We're seeing some 20s out in Lancaster, 36 in Palmdale, 47 Van Nuys. It is a chilly start in Anaheim as well, 50 degrees, and cooling down into Garden Grove. Right now about 44 degrees. Now, as we're heading into the afternoon, it'll get windier, but it will also get warmer. So it's a chance to get some layers on today. Something easy to peel off for the afternoon because we're seeing 79 today as we're heading into Los Angeles and Orange County. Tomorrow, warmer, 81. Still very dry. Our red flag warning continues. And then we start to see the temperatures fall down to 74 Saturday, 75 on Sunday. And then we'll increase those temperatures to 79 on Tuesday. If you're traveling to the valleys, Inland Empire, 82 today, overnight lows into the 40s. Down to 74 on Sunday, 75 on Monday. We'll return with warmer weather on Wednesday. And heading to the beach communities, also seeing temperatures into the 70s, upper 70s today, then 80s tomorrow, down to the low 70s, a 10-degree drop by Saturday. If you're traveling over to the mountains, also seeing 60-mile-per-hour gusts in those very wind-prone places like our canyons and our passes. Overnight lows into the 20s, and temperatures also staying on the cool side for the remainder of the week. And for the high desert communities, 68, overnight lows into the teens and 20s, and we also see a high about 58 on Sunday. We'll return with 70 degrees though on Wednesday.